With the new Qashqai, Nissan brings its next generation connected car service technology that not only simplifies the driving experience, but vastly enhances both the safety and convenience aspects for our customers. Today, let's see how this technology elevates the driving experience. As soon as you step inside the new Nissan Qashqai, the car knows you. From your seating position till your mirrors, even your radio settings and the software, the car is tailored for you. Customers can connect with your home smart devices, say switch on your air conditioner or dishwasher. So it is not just about connectivity with the car, basically integrating your lifestyle experiences with the car.
So for Nissan, this is the first time we're adopting Google Automotive Services. Now we've got Google Maps integrated in the car and view the map on the driver display. So Google Assistant is great. You can wake Google up with the usual command word, OK Google, and you can ask it to control things inside your car. So you can turn the temperature up, you can change the radio station, you can make phone calls, and you can even send text messages. OK Google, turn on the seat heater.
Sure, turning on the seat heater for the driver.
So the Intelligent Speed Assist on the updated Qashqai is a system to monitor their speed. If the vehicle goes above the legal speed limits, then the driver will get a gentle warning. The driver can change how the warning works for them to either give them an audible and a visual warning. They can have just a visual warning, or if they choose, they can turn the system off.
So on the updated Qashqai, we've improved the around view monitor system. So now we get a full 3D view of the car. We've also added a T-junction system. So when you arrive at a T-junction, the camera can automatically switch to a wide-angle view so the customer can see in both directions down the road. The most advantageous feature is the transparent hood. So in this view, the image is generated from captured images taken from the front camera.
For the head in the cloud users, Nissan has got you. Thanks to the door lock reminder feature, Nissan customers can see the lock status of the door, the windows, and even the trunk, and remotely lock the door just in case if it's open. It is equipped with revolutionary stolen vehicle tracking feature. If the car is removed from a location that is parked without the knowledge of our customers, the stolen vehicle tracking function helps to locate and track the car. There you have it. You saw how Nissan's connected features that not only amplifies the safety and convenience aspects for our customers, it's a day-to-day assistant that empowers your journey. Check out the latest connected car features that comes with the new Qashqai.